Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I'm your mathematics teacher for this here. Today I'm going to teach you recognize and write numbers. Before we start today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the place value of the digit. Students, what is the place value for 8? Yes, it is ones. And how about 2? Yes, it is tens. And the place value of digit 5 is hundreds. The place value for digit 1 is thousands. Now, let us see how to write the numbers in words. First example. 1, 4, 5, 0. Students, how we are going to write this number in words? Before we write the numbers, we must know the place value for each digit. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Students, hundreds, tens, and ones are one partition, and thousands are the other partitions. When we divide it into two partitions, it will be more easy to us to write in words. Let us see how to write the number in words. Here we have 1. So 1000. What is this, students? 1000. And how about this? 450. 450. So we must write it as 1450. Do you understand, students? Now let us see the second example. 2063. The first step is we must know all the place value, and we must divide it into two partitions. Now we are going to start to write the number from thousands. Students, what is the number in thousands? 2. Correct. So we must write it 2000. Now how about these partitions? Students, when you look at the hundreds, we have 0 here. 0 means no value. So we can't read this as 0. So we must look at these two numbers. What is this, students? Yes, it is 63. So the answer for this question is 2063. Do you understand, students? Now let us look at third example. 3118. First, we put the place value for each digit and divide it into two partitions. After divide into two partitions, we need to start from thousands. Students, what is the number in thousands? Very good. So we must write as 3000. And how about these numbers? Very good. It is 118. So the answer is 3118. Do you understand, students? Now let us see how to write the numbers in numerals. The first example is 4000 625. To solve this question, we must divide the partitions from thousands. Students, before the thousand we have one number, which is the thousands place value, and after the thousands we will have three digits, which is hundreds, tens and ones. Do you understand, students? Before thousand we will have one number, and after thousand we will have three numbers. It is compulsory. Okay. Students, what is the number before thousand? 4. So we must write 4 in thousands place value. And after the thousand we have 625. So how to write 625, students? 625. Correct. Do you understand now, students? Let us look at the second example. 2017. Student, what is the first step? Yes, divide the partitions. So before 1000 we have one digit, and after 1000 we have three digits. So before 1000 we have what, student? 2. So where we should write the 2? Very good. It is in thousands place value. And after 1000 we have 17. So where must write, student? 17. Is this correct? If like this, in ones we have nothing. So we must add 0. When you look here, this is not 17. What is this, students? 170. Wrong. We should write it as 17. So where we should start from? Yes, we must start from tens place value. Once we write the 17, we have nothing in hundreds. So in this hundreds place value, we need to write 0. Do you understand, students? Please don't write the digit in a wrong place value. Let us look at the third example. 1839. What is the first step, students? Yes, divide the partitions. Okay, before 1000 we have one digit, and after 1000 we have three digits. So before 1000 we have what, students? 1. So where do we need to write it? Yes, correct. Now let us see the numbers after thousands. After 1000 we have 839. So we should write it 839. Do you understand now, students? Now let us look at one exercise. Match to the correct answer. Students, here we have the number in numerals, and here we have the numbers in words. What number is this, students? How we are going to read this as? Yes, 1045. So where is the answer? Yes, here is the answer. Now look at the second question. How to read this question? students? 3,136. Well done. 3,136. Number 3. What is this, students? 5. So 5,459. So where is the answer, student? Yes, 5,459. Now the last question is 6,407. Well done, 6,407. Do you understand now, students? I hope you have understand today's lesson. Try to do more revision on this topic. Thank you.